This is the Mercedes-Benz Avtr Vision Transportation, but we all know it's just Avtr. And this vehicle is part of Mercedes-Benz plan for a more sustainable future. Now, that ties in fact, James Cameron was here and he talked about sustainability and how he's all about that now. Well, Mercedes-Benz is all about that, and so they got together and they made this, a crazy looking concept car. The Avtr is all about sustainability. Everything about this concept is about eco-friendliness. The car is supposed to be carbon neutral, it's going to be electric, it's supposed to really interact with the outside world, in fact even merge with it. Even the back of the car has these 33 individual hatches that sort of resemble the scales on a reptile. Now those are supposed to be used to communicate with the outside world and communicate with the driver. I'm not sure how the driver would know what's going on back there, but they're there. When you drive the car, it's unlike anything else you've ever driven, if this ever comes to production, which it won't. There's no steering wheel. In fact, you get in the car and using biometrics, the car merges with the driver. Yeah. And then you drive like that. When you want to use the infotainment system, you just sort of wave your hand and the infotainment system controls appear on. And while this car does have some wild designs and crazy ideas, it does sort of follow the EQ design aesthetic, as it has the lines, the seats, of course it has the big Mercedes-Benz logo on the front, but it'll drive forward and back like your regular car, but it'll also go sideways, it'll crab walk via these odd wheels that are resembling the seats from the movie. How the car is charged, I'm assuming is... But of course, everything about this vehicle is about sustainability. And that's the reason why James Cameron essentially just gave his blessings to Mercedes-Benz for this vehicle.
Kick.